Good morning, students. Shall we revise for NEET today? Okay, let us take the MCQs in your lesson biological classification. Okay. Yes. Shall we start? Yes. Here we go. So first question is: during the evolution of eukaryotes from prokaryotes, which of the following did not occur? What are the options given here? Infolding of the flexible cell membrane, loss of cell wall, a switch from aerobic to anaerobic metabolism, endosymbiosis of once free-living prokaryotes. So what do you mean by these things here? We have studied about eukaryotes and prokaryotes, right? Okay. So they had asked for evolution. During evolution of eukaryote from prokaryote, which of the following did not occur? It means what? யூகேரியோட்லேருந்து ப்ரோகேரியோட்டுக்கு இந்த செல் இவால்வ் ஆகி போகும்போது அந்த டைம்ல ஃபாலோயிங் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்ல எது நடக்கல விச் டிட் நாட் அக்கர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு தான் கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் தி ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஸ்விட்ச் ஃப்ரம் ஏரோபிக் டு அனோரோபிக் மெட்டபாலிசம் பிகாஸ் in the presence of oxygen only all organisms will breathe, right? Respire பண்ணும். ஸோ எல்லா ஆர்கனிசமும் யூகாரியோட்டுக்கு வந்து ப்ரோகாரியோட்டுக்கு மாறின போதும் சரி, இவால்வ் ஆன போதும் சரி, ஏரோபிக்ல தான் இருந்துச்சு. ஓகே, ஸோ அனோரோபிக்கா மாறல. ஸோ தட் இஸ் தி ஆன்சர் ஹியர். ஓகே, வென் கம்பேர்ட் டு அதர்ஸ். ஓகே, அண்ட் phylogenetic classification is based on which of the following here? எப்படி phylogenetic classification படிச்சோம் இல்லையா? artificial classification, phylogenetic classification படிச்சோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ அதுல எது வந்துட்டு on which it is based here? Overall similarities, habits of plant, common evolutionary reasons, all of this. Which is the answer here? Common evolutionary reasons. Okay. Next is T.O. Diner discovered. வந்து என்ன டிஸ்கவர் பண்ணார் அப்படின்னா free infectious RNA. Okay. So RNA வந்துட்டு free infectious இருந்தது. Okay. That is what discovered by the scientist T.O. Diner. Okay. Now coming to match this question, match the following columns. Column 1 is given and column 2 is given here. So which is the right answer given here? Just go through bacteria's types இருக்கு and bacteria's shapes இருக்கு. என்னென்ன bacteria and shapes இருக்கு. Rod shape bacteria எது answer? Yes, bacillus. Okay. Spherical shaped coccus. Spiral shaped Spirillum. Okay, and comma shape is Vibrio. Okay, so the answer is C here. Next question, the protist have which of the following here? So protist group la என்னென்ன இருந்தது இல்லன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா free nucleic acid இருந்ததா? No. Nucleoprotein? No. Membrane bound nucleoproteins? Yes. Membrane bound nucleoproteins within the cytoplasm. இதான் protistல இருந்தது. Okay, protistனா என்ன சொன்னோம்? Prokaryotes. Okay, fine. Static concept of species was proposed by whom? Linnaeus. Okay. Which of the following does not contain chlorophyll? Which of the following here? Fungi. Fungi doesn't have chlorophyll. Okay. Fine. Next is ICBM stands for. Already had studied this in previous lessons. Okay. The answer is International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Okay. Antibiotics are mostly obtained from where? Bacteria, fungi, virus, angiosperms. எதுல இருந்து கிடைக்குது? பாக்டீரியால இருந்து கிடைக்குது. Okay. Right. The term species was coined by whom? Aristotle, Linnaeus, John Ray, Engler. யாரு? John Ray is the answer. Term species. Species என்ற வேர்டை இவர்தான் கொடுத்தார். John Ray. Okay. Identify the following figures. இது என்னென்ன figure first of all நீங்க பாருங்க. What is this? A is given as a structure. B ல ஒன்னு இருக்கு, C ல ஒன்னு இருக்கு. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம இந்த லெசன்ல படிச்சோம். Is it? Yes. So answer here is first one is A is Euglena. Okay. Here B is Paramecium. Okay. And C is Agaricus. We had studied, right? Ciliated, flagellated. படிச்சோம் இல்லையா? Okay. Next, bacteria were regarded to be plants because A. bacteria plants consider பண்றோம் நம்ம. They have rigid cell wall. அதோட cell wall வந்து rigid. Some of them are green. அதனாலயா இல்ல. They are present everywhere. Is it so? No. அப்படினா வைரஸையும் நம்ம பிளான்ட்னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். Virus is not neither a plant nor a animal. Okay. Some of them cannot move. Is it so? No. So the answer is they have rigid cell wall. Okay. Match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So again column 1 is kingdom, column 2 is class. Another class idhula padichom appadina we have a plant belongs to which one here? Come this way. Okay. So algae belong to which kingdom here? Plantae. Okay. Come in this order. Okay. Archaebacteria belongs to which kingdom here? Yes, Monera. Okay. Next, euglenoids belongs to Protista. Okay. Then Phycomycetes. It belongs to which one? Fungi. Okay. The Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Blasiomycetes லாம் படிச்சோம் இல்லையா அதெல்லாம் வந்து இதெல்லாம் வந்து fungi ல. Okay. Next is algae. Algae belongs to Plantae here. Okay. Next is genes of tobacco. So here the answer is A. Okay. Genes of tobacco mosaic virus are single stranded RNA. Okay. Fine. So litmus is obtained from lichen, algae, fungi or protozoa. Litmus படிச்சோம் இல்லையா virus, virions, litmus, slime molds இதெல்லாம் படிச்சோம் இல்லையா so அதெல்லாம் எங்க இருந்து வரும் lichenல இருந்து litmus கிடைக்குது. Okay. Next is members of Phycomycetes are found in which one? Is it in aquatic habitats, on decaying wood, in moist and damp places, as obligate parasite on plants? Which of the following, which of the statements given above are correct? எதெல்லாம் correct? Phycomycetes எதுல வரும்? In aquatic habits ல வருமா? Yes. On decaying wood ல இருக்குமா? Yes, of course. In moist and damp places ல இருக்குமா? Yes. And as obligate parasite, yes. So all the four are right. Okay, so the answer option here D is right. Okay, fine. Next is blue green algae belong to which group? Blue green algae எதுல படிச்சோம் நம்ம fungi ல படிச்சோமா bryophytes ல படிச்சோமா protista ல படிச்சோமா prokaryotes ல படிச்சோமா which one? Protista. Okay. Is it so? Is it so? Blue green algae எதுல படிச்சோம் நம்ம in Protista. Is it so? No. In prokaryotes we have studied. Okay. So answer is prokaryotes here. Prokaryotes is the answer for 17. Okay. Which of the following combinations of character is true for slime molds? Slime molds எதுல இருந்துச்சு parasitica ஆமா plasmodium with true walls. Yes. True walls without walls. It doesn't have true walls. Okay. So the answer here is D. Without walls, and spores are dispersed by current. Yes, of course. Okay. So next question is who wrote the book Genera Plantarum? Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus only wrote that book. Okay. Next, in the five kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included in which one? Chlamydomonas எதுல வரும்? Algae, Protista எதுல வரும்? Algae வா Protista வா? Just think. Protista. Okay. So here actually the Chlamydomonas is an algae. Okay. Chlamydomonas is an algae and Chlorella earlier Chlamydomonas is an algae. Is an algae. Okay. But combined together Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included in which of the following கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So five kingdomல எப்படி பிரிச்சிருந்தாங்கன்னா Protistaல தான் பிரிச்சிருந்தாங்க. Okay, so classified Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included in Protista only, but Chlamydomonas alone, Chlamydomonas is an algae. Okay, so earlier classification la இது அதாவது earlier classification five kingdom classification la Protistaல சேர்த்திருந்தாங்க அதுக்கு அப்புறம் பிரிச்சாச்சு algaeல பிரிச்சிட்டாங்க Chlamydomonas. Okay, fine. So here see how the question is asked in it. This is how they will twist and ask. Okay, fine. So here according to this question the answer is C. Protista. Okay. Which of the following statements false about the fungi? Which is false here? Fungi, are they eukaryotes? Yes. Are they heterotrophs? Yes. They possess a purely cellulosic cell wall? No. Doesn't have cellulosic cell wall. Okay. So none of the above. Actually, the answer is C here. Okay. And Bentham and Hooker gave which system of classification? Natural system. Okay. Smallest taxon of classification is species here. இந்த ஆர்டர் படிச்சவங்கள levels number ஞாபகம் இருக்குங்களா? I think you remember everything. So levels என்ன படிச்சோம்? Kingdom, family, phylum, class, order, species படிச்சோம் இல்லையா? So smallest one என்ன படிச்சோம்? Last one. இந்த triangle படிச்சோம்ல pyramid. அதுல last one is species. So that is the smallest taxon. Okay. Answer is species here. So what is a taxon? First of all, taxon is a group of ranking. Okay, that is called taxon. Families கிடையாது ஒரு living organism கிடையாது species group பண்றது இல்லை. Group of ranking is called taxon. Study is called taxonomy. Okay. Linnaeus used which kingdom of classification? Artificial system of classification. Okay. So African sleeping sickness is caused by. It is a sleeping sickness actually. It is caused by the gambins. Okay. Next, what is the main basis of classification in the five kingdom system? So, okay, on what basis five kingdom system classify பண்ணாங்கன்றத question. So, based on இது nucleus இருக்கா இல்லையானா இல்ல. இது வந்துட்டு eukaryotes and prokaryotes தான் நம்ம இது வச்சு பார்த்தோம். Okay, structure of nucleus law. Structure of cell wall இல்ல. Asexual reproduction no. And the answer here is mode of nutrition. Okay. So, which of the following organisms can be found in extreme saline conditions? இதெல்லாம் படிச்சோம் நம்ம saline conditionல obviously archaebacteria. Picture ஞாபகம் இருக்கா image I had shown in PPT no I mean in video. Hope you remember that. Okay, archaebacteria is the answer here. Saline nalle archaebacteria da. Okay. Next, Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called which one? Vernacular, monomial, polynomial, which one? Binomial. Okay, so binomial system of classification was evolved by Linnaeus only. Okay, fine. In which of the following kingdom are archaea nitrogen fixing organisms classified? Archaea nitrogen fixing organism. எதுல வந்துச்சு? ஆர்கியாங்கிறது மொனேரா. Okay, so nitrogen fixing organism மொனேரால தான் நம்ம classify பண்ணிருக்கோம். Hope you all remember this. Okay, please go through the question and answers given. Okay, in PDF form and get ready for NEET test. Okay, revise thoroughly. See, this is how you have to prepare for NEET test. Okay, இப்போ படிக்கிற லெசன்ல இருந்து என்ன படிக்கிறீங்களோ அந்த யூனிட்ல இருந்து டெஸ்ட் எழுதுறீங்க. அதுலயே நீங்க வந்துட்டு என்னென்ன 1 marks இருக்கோ அதெல்லாம் நீங்க படிச்சீங்கனாலே you will be thorough with the basics. So you are studying at lower level, right? 6th standard. So இப்பவே நீங்க நீட்டுக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணலாம். இதுதான் basics you are studying. Those things you have to be very thorough. Till +1 +2 வரைக்குமே இதுதான் higher version உங்களுக்கு கொண்டு வந்து கொடுப்பாங்க. Okay, so from this only questions will be asked, but twisted இருக்கும் எல்லாமே. So basics தரவா இருங்க. For that only you are studying these revision class. Okay, fine. So all the best, prepare well. Thank you.